We became interested in healthy eating in Japan, where we lived and worked for 8 years. And we discovered that there are lower rates of heart disease, diabetes, and most kinds of cancer. So I've based the Nutrichef meal plan on 2 important principles of the Japanese diet. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables, and favor eating fish over red meat. We use around 50 different fruits and vegetables on a 30-day meal plan, and around 10 different fruits and vegetables every day, which is double the government target of 5 a day. We have fish 3 times a week, lamb once, chicken once, and a vegetarian and vegan program. We can also provide for customers with specific ingredient dislikes, so if you don't like beetroot or courgettes, for example, then we'll make sure that you don't receive any. Breakfasts rotate every 14 days and lunches and dinners every 28 days, ensuring that you don't get bored and also giving you a sample of how you can educate yourself that healthy food doesn't have to be boring.